Enhancing a golden hour photo involves bringing out warm tones, soft highlights, and natural glow. Begin by warming the temperature slightly to amplify the rich oranges and yellows typical of sunset light. Increase vibrance rather than saturation to maintain subtlety in the skin and sky. Use gradient adjustments to brighten the upper portion of the image, especially where the sun is located, and soften it to create gentle diffusion. Warm highlights can be enhanced with selective dodging around hair, shoulders, or reflective surfaces to create a luminous effect. Split toning works wonderfully here, with warm highlights and cooler shadows providing dynamic depth. Use subtle dehaze if the atmosphere looks too foggy, but avoid removing all haze since it contributes to the mood.